start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to do a really bang into autumn. Couldn't get any more autumn gel polish set today. So I'm using some of these. These are brand new minis from Madam Glam. They're not brand new colours. These are, I think what Madam Glam do, a lot of their best sellers, they put into minis. So they're the same as the big ones. They're a 21 free formula, HEMA free, cruelty free, vegan, palm oil free, exactly the same. So colours, we've got Fantasy. Look at the shimmer in these. These first three have all got this same shimmer. Beautiful, that, isn't it? These are all one coat as well. I don't know if that's meant to be Play Dead. It says Plat Dead. We're going to call it Play Dead. Again, it's got that beautiful shimmer. And then this one, the Inventor, is like a really creamy nude with a shimmer. Beautiful, aren't they, those three? I really like them. So that's those three together. They scream autumn, don't they? I love that shimmer. I would love a full collection of 8 with that kind of shimmer. And the last two, we've got Barista. That's like a really, really deep burgundy. The camera shows it a bit darker than it is. Deep burgundy. And then lastly, we've got Scream. I really like this colour. This is a nice colour just to put on your natural nails. It is really nice, subtle colour. So yeah, this set I'm going to do today is a massive autumn set. So I've pulled out an orange as well. This is, I'm not going to say it, I don't know how you say it, I'm not going to embarrass myself saying it. It's an orange. So I'm just going to put some base colours down. I did initially start out doing 4 tips and I ended up doing 5. So I'll just show you doing one coat on a couple of them. Look at that shimmer. And I'll do the second coats off camera. I recorded this a week ago, so I forgot half of what I've done. Anyway, guys, don't forget you can get 30% off Madam Glam website using my code Unpolished30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. That colour is called The Truth, I think, or Cream Donut, can't remember. Look at them colours. I like them. Not normally my cup of tea, but I like them. So let's get on with it. This first tip, I'm giving it a base, a matte top coat, because I'm going to paint, I'm going to do like a plaid kind of checkered design on this nail. So I'm just putting some colours down on my palette. So I'm going to start out with a long striper brush, and I've not even got these nails in front of me. I'm just going to start, this line's going to be probably the thickest line that I do, and I'm going to flash cure these lines in the lamp for 10-15 seconds before I go on to the next colour. Yeah, and I'm just gonna do, it's just all gonna be straight lines, crissy crossy. Yeah, I'll let you watch for a sec. I need to shut the hell up. Right, so that's the majority of the lines done. I'm using Madam Glam white gel paint and this little detailer brush from Madam Glam, and I'm just going to do little teeny weeny white notches. Don't worry about them not being identical, it really doesn't matter. Just teeny weeny little white notches like that, and I'm going to carry that on all the way down the nail. And then I'm just going to do 2 more lines using Madam Glam's gold gel paint. This is the first time I've used this gold gel paint. Oh my gosh, it is the best gold gel paint I've ever used. It's not quite a shimmer, but it's not glitter. It's just beautiful. I love it. Look at the sparkle on that. This is going to be beautiful for Christmas. And that's that nail done. I'm just going to stick that in the lamp now for 60 seconds. And yeah, that's that nail done. I love how that looks. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm doing another nail exactly the same as that off camera. You don't need to see me doing 2 of those. So this is where we're at. I've done those 2 nails the same. And again, this is going to get a matte top coat now. And this nail, I'm just going to do a bit of a sweater plaid just on the bottom half using Fantasy. And I wanted this Fantasy to stay glossy against that matte background. So I do end up glossy top coating this little sweater design. I was going to sprinkle clear acrylic in it to matte it out. But I really liked the glossiness against that matte background. So yeah, I'm just going over them with a detailer brush and a glossy top coat. So I've pulled a glitter out from Charlie's Nail Art. This is called Autumn Stroll. And look what was inside this glitter, guys. Look, all these little leaves was inside that glitter and I didn't know. How cute is that? So yeah, we're going to use that glitter. And I am using some, I don't know why I didn't use those leaves. Not sure. But I wanted some of these matte orange ones and metallic red. So I'm just using a wet base coat. I'm not going to cure the base coat, and I'm just going to stick some leaves and a tiny bit of sprinkle of glitter in amongst these leaves, just on the top part of this nail. So I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and guys, I pressed pause to have a drink. All I've done is same as that other nail, wet base coat, and I've just stuck some leaves and glitter up this nail. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So these nails with the leaves on, I'm using a nice thick generous coat of top coat just to completely encapsulate them so I can give them a buff and get them nice and smooth. So on the bottom half of this nail, I'm going to do the plaid checkered design that I did on the first nail, but I'm just doing it on the bottom half of the nail. I thought it looked really quirky, something different. So I'm going to give these two nails a quick matte top coat. I wanted all these nails to be matte. I'm just going to stick a little charmy blingy thing on this nail, and that's this set finished. For somebody that hates autumn for nail art, these could not possibly get any more autumn, could they not? But I quite like them. They're a bit busy, but I like them. I love them plaid nails. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.